Let's talk about how to do competitor research that will help you increase revenue for your photography business. It's critical for you to know exactly how you compare to your competitors. If you don't thoroughly research your competitors, it'll be impossible for you to figure out how to differentiate yourself from them. It'll be impossible to develop and execute an effective marketing strategy, and you'll likely make a lot of other strategic errors. Or to put it in simple terms, you'll fail. So let's look at the most efficient way to do competitor research. If you're new to my content, I'm Adam Radley and I'm the founder of IIMAGINE. This channel is for photographers that want to start and grow their business. I'm also creating a series of videos called 100 Ways to Get Customers for Photographers. If you want to receive alerts when I release new videos, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. You can find information about your competitors in social media groups and industry forums. This tells you what people say about your competitors. You can also go to your competitors' websites and social presence. This tells you what competitors say about themselves. These are the questions that need to be answered. Who are your competitors? What are their names? Where are they, if location matters? How long have they been established, if that matters? What services do they sell? What do they do well? What do they do badly? What about their reputation? What do people think of them? This could be as simple as reading reviews if they exist. Now, how do you compare? Why would someone pick you ahead of them? Why would someone pick them ahead of you? And then take a look at their marketing. How are they generating leads, as far as you can tell? And what is their unique selling proposition? I strongly recommend creating a simple spreadsheet that includes all of these questions across the top and the names of your competitors down the left and the answers in the middle. Having everything on one screen will make it easier for you to see the entire competitive marketplace and how you fit into it. Now, of course, competitor research alone won't generate. You need to offer good products or services. Then you need to make a portion of your target audience aware of them, and then you need to convert a percentage of them into paying customers. So how do you do all that? First, I'll be releasing a series of videos about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to receive alerts when those videos are released. Second, you can generate awareness by using IIMAGINE. It's a platform for people that want to grow their business while having a positive impact on the world. You can grow your customers and social media followers by connecting with other people on IIMAGINE and cross-promoting your brand to each other's customers and followers. You can also find co-founders and sources of capital. The best part of this is that it's free and doesn't involve doing any work. Just create an account, upload a profile pic, enter a brief bio, and check the boxes that match your objectives. Then let the algorithm match you with people that want to work with you. Your matches will show up in your inbox. There are also a lot of other things that you can do on IIMAGINE to grow your business and have a positive impact. Check out the links in the description. Third, if you decide that you want to implement any of the 100 ways to get customers for photographers, you'll need to have the website, landing pages, CRM, and other tools and automations required to convert as many of them as possible into paying customers. To help photographers have the best chance of success, I've created the Photography Growth Package. So what is the Photography Growth Package? I created a digital agency called IIMAGINE Digital so that we can provide everything that you see in my marketing videos. In order to succeed, you need three things: an advanced website with stunning design that addresses all of the 30 critical trust factors, advanced marketing strategies that increase awareness and conversion rates, advanced marketing tools that automate everything. The Photography Growth Package includes a 31-page website that's been set up for photographers with stunning design that addresses all 30 trust factors, everything you need for e-commerce, advanced marketing funnels, a fully featured CRM, ready-made email templates, and more than 100 automations pre-configured. We'll set up everything for you. You just need to add information about your business, then start acquiring customers. If you don't use advanced marketing strategies and you don't use automations, you'll be at a massive disadvantage because digital marketing simply takes too much time when you do it manually. Your business and your personal income depend on it. This is the best way for you to instantly address all of the trust factors, instantly have all of the automations that I mention in all of my videos, and have everything you need to execute the 100 strategies in my series about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. And you'll get all of this with the least amount of time, money, and effort. For most of you, the ability to have everything you need instantly set up and ready to go, so that you can get customers 100 different ways, will be the difference between success and failure. Check out the links in the description to learn more about it. In the meantime, if you do want to use your existing systems and tools, that's fine. I'm still going to give you my 100 best strategies, all outlined step by step for free in these videos. Just keep in mind that it will take more time and cost more money. I know I've discussed a lot of things in this video that might be new to you. If you know this is all very valuable, but you're in a hurry and you don't know what to do next, just subscribe to this channel and go to IIMAGINE and create a free account. It'll only take 30 seconds and we'll send you an email with a checklist about what you should do next. Then you'll have all the information you need and you can do it whenever the time is right for you. I've included links to everything in the description. I've also included links to related videos. As always, think about how you can grow your business in a way that has a positive impact. The best way to do it is with the IIMAGINE platform. I'll see you in the next video.